Yes. Good morning, children, and welcome everyone in the class of mathematics for class 7th. And today I will explain some questions from this chapter, properties of triangles. Okay. So let's see which the questions are based on exterior angle property of triangle. Okay. So see this question. An exterior angle of a triangle is 100 degree and its interior opposite angles are equal to each other. That means interior opposite angles are equal. In diagram also you can see here the interior opposite angles I have shown equal. Okay. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. So each angle means all the angles of the triangle you have to find, in which the two equal angles also and the third angle also. So we can do like this first. We can write that statement that let the measure of each interior angle equals to x degree. Measure of each interior angle is x degree. Interior opposite angles. That means this x and this is angle A is also x and angle B is also x. Okay, now we know by the exterior angle theorem or exterior angle property of triangle that the sum of the two opposite interior angles is equal to the measurement of exterior angle. So this we are going to use here. In this triangle, we know that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So we can write that in this example, in this diagram, angle A plus angle B is equals to this angle ACD. ACD means 100 degree, that is 100 degree given. You can see it is given, it is 100 degree here. So this angle is angle A plus angle B is equals to angle exterior angle ACD. Angle A and angle B are the opposite interior to the exterior angle for the exterior angle ACD. Angle A and angle B are the interior opposite angle for the exterior angle ACD. Then we can add angle A is also x and angle B is also x. Then x plus x equals to 100. Then we can write therefore 2x equals to 100 degree. Then we can write that 2 is multiplying on LHS. Then right side it will divide. X equals to 100 by 2 means 50. So value of x is 50. That means the angle A and angle B is 50 degree. Okay, that we can write here like this. So angle A equals to angle B equals to x degree and value of x is 50. So it is 50 degree. Okay. Now we have to find this angle A and angle B we have found. This angle A is x degree, angle B is x and both value is 50 degree. Okay, so both angle A and angle B is 50 degree. Now in this triangle we can see that in triangle ABC the three angles are there, angle A, angle B and angle C, and by angle sum property their sum is 180. By the angle sum property of the triangle their sum will come 180 degree. Okay, then we can write the value of angle A is 50 and value of angle B is also 50, just we have found, and angle C you have to find, so that you write angle C only. Now this next step you can do. This 50 plus 50 here 100, so 100 plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Next you can write that angle C equals to this 100 we have to take on the right side. So angle C, this left side it is plus 100, so on right side it will be minus 100. Okay, its sign will change when you are changing the side of the equation. So it is 180 minus 100 means it is 80 degree. So this angle C is 80 degree. This angle value is 80 degree. Okay, this angle value is 80 degree. Okay, angle C equals to 80 degree. So this way all the angles we have found. Angle A and angle B 50 degree and angle C is 80 degree. Now next question, you see this diagram. In the figure given alongside, find angle ACD. This means this angle you have to find, ACD and angle AED. This means this angle AED and angle ACD. This red marked angles you have to find. Okay, so we can do like that. We know that in exterior, we just remind that exterior angle property. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. This way we can solve. Solution is starting from here. Okay, we know that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Then in this diagram, what are exterior angle? This ACD for angle ABC. For the triangle ABC, if you will see this triangle ABC in this figure, you can see triangle ABC. This ACD is the exterior angle. This angle ACD is the exterior angle, which is equal to 45 plus 25, which is equal to the sum of two opposite interior, that means 45 plus 25. So it will give 70 degree. 45 plus 25 is 70 here. So that's why in triangle ABC, angle ACD equals to BAC plus ABC. BAC is this 25 and this ABC is 45. Okay, so this 25 plus 45, you will get that angle ACD equals to 70 degree. So angle ACD is 70 degree. Next you have to find this angle AD. Then we can do like this. In triangle ECD, for that you have to see the next triangle ECD. See the diagram? Triangle ECD, the angle ECD and EDC you have to add. That means this just now you have got that this is 70. This value is 70 degree. Just now you have got that this angle ACD is 70 degree. Okay. So 70 plus 40, this AED you will get that exterior angle. So that I am doing here. That angle AED equals to 70 plus 40, you will get it is 110 degree. That means ECD plus angle EDC. These are two opposite interior angle. This 70 and this 40 you will add, then this you will get that angle AED. That is 110 degree. Okay, now this you have to see the triangle inequality property. Okay, for the exercise 15C. Okay, by this you can do exercise 15B. Now you are going to see the concept of exercise 15C also. The sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of third side. This is the triangle inequality property. Okay, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of third side. For example, in this diagram, the sides, this is a triangle in which the sides are A, B and C. These A, B and C are showing the sides of this given triangle. Then we have these statements, true statements, that A plus B is greater than C. Then this A plus C is greater than B. That means A plus C, then the third side is B only. And then if you take B plus C, then the third side is A. So B plus C is greater than A. Based on this one question, you can see that. Is it possible to draw a triangle, the length of whose sides are 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter? Is it possible to draw? So you will verify with this property only. Okay. Sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So you are going to do this. Clearly we can write in solution that 4 plus 5. At a time two sides you add and compare with the third side. So 4 plus 5 is greater than the 6 here. Then this 5 plus 6, these two sides is greater than the third side 4. Okay, then 4 plus 6 is greater than 5. So it is greater than the third side 5. Then we can say thus the sum of any two of these numbers, three numbers are there, 4, 5 and 6. the sum, because at the starting you cannot say the side, you can say the number only, because it is not confirmed that it is a triangle, it is forming a triangle. We are checking that, we are verifying that it is a triangle or not. So you will say the numbers. The sum of any two of these numbers is greater than the third side. Here, yes, we have got the result by all the three, in all the three cases. Sum of any two numbers is greater than the third number. Okay, then we can say this. Hence, it is possible to draw a triangle whose sides are 4, 5 and 6 centimeter. Okay, because sum of that any two numbers is greater than the third number. Okay, I hope it is clear. So now next class I will explain this also, another important result of triangle inequality, that is the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. This I will explain. Okay, it is less than the third side. That time you have seen the sum of two sides is greater than third side, but here the difference of the any two given sides of the triangle is less than the third side. Now homework you will do exercise 15B only, question number 5 to 8 from R.S. Agrawal, and exercise 15C question number 1 also, and revise all the properties what I have explained here in this class. So thank you all of you.